Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a math class for Junior 1. Dear learners, our today's topic numbers words part 1. Number words part 1, our lecture number 4 and homework also 4. Okay, now let's start our class. So dear learners, our today's topic is write in words part 1. Let's begin with 1. Okay, here are 1 equal to, how to spell 1? O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. Learners, repeat after me. 1. Then 2. Okay, T-W-O. 2. Repeat after me. T-W-O. 2. Then next number 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Then 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Then next number here 5. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Then 6. 6. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Now next number is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Learners, repeat after me. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Now 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Okay. Now 10. Okay. Learners, look at, here are 2 digits number. So 1 0 is together, we call say 10. T-E-N. 10. Now move on. After 10, we write 11. Okay. Now how do you spell 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Now 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Now 13. Okay. T-H-I-R. 13. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Now 14. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 14. T-E-E-N. 14. Now 15. 15. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 16. S-I-X. 6. Then 10. T-E-E-N. 16. Now 17. S-E-V-E-N. 7. T-E-E-N. 17. S-E-V-E-N. T-E-E-N. 17. Now 18. E-I-G-H-T. 18. E-E-N. 18. Now here 19. At first, now spell 9 and I N-E 9, T-E-E N 19. Then 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. I repeat, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Okay, dear learners, so today we have learned numbers words 1 to 20. Now your homework will be, our today's topic, words. Write in words with. Now I will give some selected numbers, okay? 9, then 15, 8, 16 and 20. Okay, dear learners, that numbers you have to write in words. That is your homework. 9, 15, 8, 16 and 20. So dear learners, do your homework properly on your SW copy. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.